Week 0, Forming a Habit, Lesson 4. Let's recap yesterday's third law. To change a behaviour is making the habit easy. This should be done in repetition. To master a habit, you need to get your reps in and not plan it to perfection. One should implement the 2-minute rule, which states that the habit should take less than 2 minutes to do. Also, he or she should implement the rule of showing up and being consistent. By simply being present to perform the behaviour, it will have a lasting effect on you. Now, let's move on to the 4th rule of changing your behaviour to form a habit. Rule number 4. Make the behaviour satisfying. We will be more likely to repeat a behaviour when the experience is satisfying. To get a habit to stick, you need to feel immediate success, even if it is in a small way. This can be accomplished by tracking your habit. For example, if you write on your calendar every time you complete that particular habit on a particular day, you will soon have a satisfying feeling of accomplishment when you peruse the calendar and see just how many days you performed the new habit. Keep in mind a couple of things. If you miss performing your habit, try to get back on track as quickly as possible. Never miss twice. Also, habits are more manageable when they align with your natural abilities. Choose habits that best suit you. And additionally, you can alter the habit to fit your personality. So recap. Make sure your behaviour is satisfying. This can be accomplished by tracking your habits on a calendar. So, what is the bottom line in forming a habit? Well, I'm glad you asked. The bottom line can be seen in the following equation. Habits plus deliberate practice equals mastery. So habits plus deliberate practice equals mastery. Remain aware of your performance over time by pouring your energy into the next challenge. I have taken this time to give you ground rules for forming a habit because these next few weeks will challenge you. Habits are going to develop and some days you may not want to practice self-care. I get it. Self-care is hard work, but it is so needed. We are accustomed to caring for others, so now it is time to turn to care for ourselves. I hope this following week challenges you and inspires you to be a healthier you. Things to remember. Change can be accomplished if you are willing to put in the hard work. It takes the average person 2 months to develop a new habit and develop a new routine. You will need to plan how to achieve your goals. Focusing on that outcome is a way that one can stay motivated. However, one should remember it is small steps of persistence that will help with overall change. Additionally, have an accountability partner or someone going through the process with you helps tremendously. Lastly, do not try to make a significant change all at once. Instead, habits are formed by small changes every day. Thank you for listening, and do not forget to take the necessary time to watch the videos, complete the activities and tasks. Have a happy self-care and resiliency week.